Student, now we came to our last outcome of Microsoft Excel. The last outcome, we will learn how to print a worksheet content. So we'll start by printing. Okay, we'll start by arranging the workbook. Then from, if you can see the salary chart, it comes first. So if I wanted the 2018 salaries to be the second, then I'll drag it and then I'll drop it this side so that it is the first one followed by chart. Then I can right click here, change the tab color. Let's make it red. So this one is the red, that one is orange. I can delete the remaining sheets by right clicking, delete, right click, delete. If I want to insert the sheet, right click, insert, or you click a plus button here, then you will have a sheet. But for now, I'll just delete it. I want only 2 sheets. Let me start by printing our content sheet here. And then our content sheet, if you can see these lines here, they show that your page will end here, and then when it comes here, it will delete number of employees. So file, print, number of employees doesn't appear here. It is going to be on page 2, and we don't want this. We want this to be in one page. So for you to do that, you can simply says here print sheet at the actual size, and then we can say fit on one page. Once we say fit on one page, the entire information will be on one page. And then if you want more than one pages, then we can if you want to print from page 2 to page 3, you can simply say 2 and then enter. Or maybe, for instance, you want to print up to 8. You don't want page 1 and then anything after 8. You only want this. So you must select from page 2 to page 8. So another thing that you need to know is number of copies. If I need more than 1 copies, you can increase. Maybe I want 10 copies, I'll increase to 10. Then what else? For instance, here, print only active sheet. Remember, we have the 2018 salary sheet and then the one that says salary chart. So if I want to print them once, I'll click here and it says print entire workbook. Then it will print all the sheets. It shows here all the sheets. But if I only want this one, then only the active sheet, which is this one. Then that means I must go and print the second sheet again. Then you click print here, then you collect it from the printer. Make sure that before you print, you select here the correct printer. If the printer that you are using is Microsoft Print PDF, you select it. If it's not that one and it's this one, so on and so on. So make sure you print the correct, using the correct printer. And then the same method that I showed you how to print, you can use them to print PowerPoint and Microsoft Word. So it's not only for Excel. The only part that is only for Excel is fit to one sheet. That is the only part that is relevant for Excel. I'll stop here. Thank you very much, students, for taking your time to watch these videos. Please remember you have the printed notes for in case of you don't have access to internet. Print your notes, read those notes, practice, use the activity questions there to practice. Make sure that you do your assignment on time. Submit your assignment Sunday before 12 o'clock. Late submission are not welcome. So do your work. Thank you very much from your facilitator, Mr. Kopa.